You can't get hurt when you're high. I don't make the rules. That was my only beer. Sorry.